How's it going? Greg here with C.R. Onsrud. Now, if you've been to a gas station, grocery store, or any essential business in the previous weeks, you may have noticed plastic partitions between you and the employees at these locations. These partitions are set up to prevent against the spread of the COVID-19 virus, and if you're a maker like myself, you're wondering how they're being manufactured. Well, they're being cut on a CNC machine just like this 145 M series behind me. These machines provide a large, flat surface where large sheets of materials such as clear polycarbonate can be loaded onto the machine and cut into various shapes and sizes to be turned into sneeze guards or partitions. Now, after the plastic is cut for the shields of the partitions, stands are needed to hold them up. These stands are also machined on a CNC router by loading large sheets of plastic, metal, or wood onto the machining bed to be machined. Now, with a 5x12 CNC router like the M series model behind me, an operator can output hundreds of these partitions in one workday. Now today, we're going to run a few sample pieces of polycarbonate for you on a single head M series, and then run the feet or stands on a twin-headed M series to showcase the efficiency gained with multiple heads machining at one time. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to machine partitions or sneeze guards, or the M series CNC machine behind me, shoot us an email at info@cronsrud.com or give us a call at 1704-508-7000. Have a great day.